Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 9th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2022. Where my corn lovers out there, today's recipe I'm going to share with all of y'all some creamy, mouth-watering Southern corn pudding. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. Going to have 2 types of corn in it, and it is next level good. Your guests will go crazy over this at your Thanksgiving table, and everybody will love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist and my previous video, Sweet Honey Cornbread. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your baking dish, your cornbread mix, and your corn sugar, because we're about to bake some corn pudding magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up our cornbread mix. In my large bowl, we're going to add in a half a cup of self-rising flour, a half a cup of self-rising yellow cornmeal mix, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Give it a quick whisk until well combined. Alrighty, now we're ready to add in our wet ingredients. We're going to add in 2 large eggs at room temperature, and I'm lightly beating them. 1 can of cream style corn. 1 can of whole kernel corn, and I drained it. And you can also use frozen whole kernel corn, and make sure you thaw it. A half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a 1/4 of a cup of white sugar and a pinch of ground nutmeg, a half a cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled, and 1 cup of sour cream at room temperature. Gonna give our pudding a little tang to it. And we're going to give everything a quick whisk until it's well blended. All right, my friends, our corn pudding is complete. Look at this creamy goodness. Love the smell of cream corn and vanilla extract. And you can smell a little bit of the nutmeg. Excellent. Now we're ready to pour it into our pan. We're going to pour it in the 8x8-inch square baking dish that I spray with cooking spray, or you can grease it with butter. Alrighty, now we're ready to put our corn pudding in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to let it bake for about 35 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern creamy corn pudding. Doesn't that look good? I just taken it out of the oven. And it smells incredible. So now I'm going to let it cool for about 10 minutes, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. It's nice and golden brown. Have a bite. Creamy. Has a nice little sweetness to it, but not overly sweet. And I can taste both the corns, the whole kernel and the cream corn. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Corn pudding-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Thanksgiving.